check out this 2017 Bayliner VR5. It's a 20-foot bow rider, but the bow is wider, kind of like a deck boat, but you still have the V-bottom. Mercruiser 4.5, 200 horsepower. Skeg looks good. 4-blade prop. Trailer straps are right on the trailer. Swim mat. You just had the swim mat put in it, so it's got brand new swim mat on the floor. Does have a transom walkthrough. Nice sun pad here. A lot of seating, rated for 8 passengers. It's kind of unique seating here. It makes a bench, or you pull this up here and you could sit facing the back if you have like people tubing or skiing, or you could pull it up and sit facing the front. Does have a bolster driver's seat that swivels, moves forward and back. Garmin GPS, tilt steering. Does not have an hour meter, so I'm unsure on the hours. Does have a brand new full mooring cover. It's a black one there. It's very nice. See how wide that bow is. In-floor storage. Motors under there. Check this one out at SkipperBud's. We do offer financing.